So lately I've had several people ask me, about the lightning cables, and rightly so, because they are generic cables. These are not the officially Apple branded ones, but these work just fine. Usually if you get them, they'll come pre-packaged and coiled just like this. And, I'll remove the sleeve, and so, uncoil, and you can see they are quite regular cables. They are lightning to USB, and these are 3 feet long. Let's see if I can find my measuring tape. From the base all the way to the other base, and they come up right at 3 feet. So and so one of the questions I get is, do they work? Well, I use a few of these as extra ones for myself because I'm not going to be paying the crazy prices Apple wants. I use a generic charger.
So you get an extension from here.
And we'll try it out on 2 Apple devices that I currently have: a iPod 16 gig 5th gen and an iPhone 5S. There's an iPhone 5S. And so I still have all my plastic on here. We'll get the charging cable, plug it right in. Then you heard the beep, and let's see if you can see it. I don't know if it's too hard to make out, but I can barely see the little charging thing. And so here's an iPod 16 gig that I had lying around. So got the startup screen, plug it in, and you can see it said battery charging earlier, and you can see it in the top right corner here. But they do charge. One issue though, along with like even the Belkin ones, you may get the cable or accessory is not certified. It may not reliably charge the phone. I don't know what kind of magic voodoo Apple has where they can detect that, but they can. I haven't encountered any issues with it. If you have any other questions, just feel free to send me an email, or you can, if you're interested in any of the other products we may sell. It's a brand new site, so check it often, and I'll be upgrading it with new products weekly or even daily.